Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. In this series of video demonstrations of basic Linux commands, today we will discuss the shutdown command. The basic syntax of shutdown command is as highlighted. It starts with the keyword shutdown, followed by options, followed by time, and followed by message. Okay, let's demonstrate. Simply typing the shutdown word will instruct the system to go to shutdown mode in 1 minute. So by default the time is 1 minute. Since I do not want to shut down my system, I will cancel it by typing shutdown C. It will cancel the shutdown instruction. The other way to tell the system to shut down is by typing shutdown keyword followed by total time in minutes, after which I want to shut down the system. In this case I am going to shut down the system in 5 minutes, so I type shutdown 5. The system will go to shutdown state in 5 minutes. Okay, you can also tell the system to shut down by specifying that time in hours and minutes. For example, I want to shut down the system. Currently I am having the time 00 hours and 42 minutes and I want to shut down the system on the 50th minute, so I will type 0050. It will tell the system to go to shutdown mode when the 50th minute is approached. Again, I do not want to shut down the system, so I cancel it. Remember that you can also type the time in minutes preceding with plus sign. Shutdown +5 and shutdown 5 means the same thing, to bring the system to shutdown mode in 5 minutes. Okay. Now, if I want to display a message just before going to shutdown state, what should I do? Shut down in 5 minutes by displaying goodbye message. So before going to shutdown state, just before going to shutdown, the system will display the goodbye message on the terminal. And finally, if I want to shut down the system right at this moment, I will type shutdown followed by now. Since I do not want to shut down the system, I will not execute this command. So executing this command will bring the system to shutdown state immediately. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.